Hi everyone, welcome to Firestone Chemistry. Today we are going to start a new reagent, that is diazomethane. In previous lecture, there we see the lots of organic reagent. If you not seen, go on channel and see there. So today we are going to start a new reagent, that is diazomethane, that is CH2N2. So the name is came from diazo, that is N2 group, and CH2, that is methane, from methane. So the name is come from diazomethane. So see that the preparation of diazomethane, general method of diazomethane preparation involves alkaline hydrolysis of various N-nitroso N-alkyl amide. So here we see that the preparation, how to prepare diazomethane, that is diazomethane can be prepared by the alkaline hydrolysis of N-nitroso N-alkyl amide. So here see the reaction: RCO NCH3NO, that is nitroso group. So N-nitroso N-methyl amide, N-nitroso, that is N-nitroso N-methyl amide. So when hydrolysis in presence of alkaline hydrolysis, that is in presence of NaOH, we get diazomethane and water and RCOONA. So they undergo elimination, and we get that the CH2N2 as a product. So this is the reagent, how to prepare from the alkaline hydrolysis of N-nitroso N-alkyl amide. Again, this can be also prepared for the preparation of diazomethane. Here prepared CH3 from CH3NCO, CO, vinyl ring CO, NO, CH3. So bis N-nitroso N-methyl terephthalate first, and CH3 NH C double bond NH NO2, N-nitroso N-methyl N-nitroguanidine. From their hydrolysis we also get that CH2N2 as a reagent, and this is as the product diazomethane, and this diazomethane is the very good reagent for the. Again, this diazomethane is resonance hybrid of canonical structure. So diazomethane shows resonance hybrid, that is resonance means there is no shifting of any atom, only shifting of bonds. So the resonance can be shown here, that is CH2 double bond N positive charge, double bond N negative charge. So again here we can see that CH2 minus nitrogen plus charge, triple bond N. So again double headed arrow, which is for specially for the resonance, shown the resonance of the compound here only shifting of bonds and no there is shifting of any atom. CH2 plus N double bond N minus charge, again CH2 minus N double bond N plus. So it is highly reactive. It is highly reactive yellow toxic gas, often explosive. So it is highly diazomethane is highly reactive, yellow in color, again toxic gas, often explosive. So it is synthesized in situ by adding potassium carbonate to alcoholic solution of N-nitroso-methylurea. So it is highly reactive, yellow in color, again toxic gas. So it can be prepared, synthesized in situ. That means when the reaction is done, at that time this reagent can be made, that is in situ, by adding potassium carbonate, that is by adding potassium carbonate to the alcoholic solution of N-nitroso-methylurea. So here see the reaction, that is CS3 CN NOCONH2, that is N-nitroso-methylurea plus K2CO3, that is potassium carbonate. So we get CH2N2, that is diazomethane plus CO2 plus H2O plus twice KNCO. So this is the again one of the method of preparation of diazomethane. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos on Firestone chemistry. In next video we see the applications of diazomethane. Thank you for watching.